Hello again, my viewers and my subscribers. How are you doing? Yes, I'm your girl Auntie Jen, and welcome to this channel, Life with Jennifer JM. My viewers and my subscribers, in this video today we want to look at, I've been watching the story with this British man who was missing. Yes, he's 60-year-old Robert Dyer, said to be diabetic, arrived in the island on Friday and was reportedly staying with his brother. And according to what the family said, he said he wanted to go on a nature walk. And about 1:30, 1:30, right there beyond, they got a call from him that he was lost. I don't know what transpired when they got that call, but when he did not return, then they reported. But I have some issues. Why would you encourage him knowing that most likely he's not well, and allow him to just go walk by himself? Is it something that he has done before? Because if he had done that before, then he would not be lost. Because if I go on a trail, my people, I want you to follow my reasoning. Wherever I walk to get there, if I reach certain distance and I feel I would walk back in the same track, I wouldn't take any different route. I don't know if I'm making any sense to anybody here. Me personally, not buying it. I am not buying it. He came in the island Friday. Sunday he went on a walk and missing and not come back. Then, my viewers and my subscribers, for some reason, from I heard him missing, I know this would be the result. From the news broke, I know this would be the result. Some of you and my subscriber, tell me what you think. Do you believe he just went all by himself and just lost, and then a diabetes kill him by himself, or in dehydrated or whatever? Leave your comment and we can continue the discussion. Tell me what you think. Come my viewers and my subscriber, you know, according to the news, he will find different place from which part he was actually left for go walk. A 4-mile different place from where I walk to the edge of Lover's Leap. Boy, I'm not here to judge, you know, my viewers and my subscribers, but we can talk about this, man. You see, because how things are going now, people try to do all kind of things and try to make it look away, like to hide themselves, because I don't know where overcome the island. And I not try to blame the family member or nothing, you know, I only say until we get the autopsy or we hear where the autopsy said, then we will really know. But I want you to leave a views on this. Man come in from Britain Friday, and by Sunday he go up and walk and he just miss it. It just look weird to me, my viewers and my subscriber. So, you know, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, Life with Jennifer JM, I ask of you to subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notification bell so when I go live or I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. and I will catch you another time in another video. Bye.